Are you struggling to get enrollments for your preschool in the current situation? Are you facing a challenge in converting your existing inquiries into admission because of the online preschooling system? Hi, my name is Sanket Fadke and I am a preschool coach. Me and my team are associated with 120 plus preschools and 40 plus brands across India. I'm doing a workshop this Saturday for all preschool entrepreneurs in which I'm going to teach them how to set realistic targets for your preschools, how to define your marketing budget for the next 3 months, and how to convert your existing inquiries into admission within a week's time without following up with them. So, if you wish to learn this, please click the below link and register for my workshop. So, I'll see you in the workshop. Bye.